Right. Students, good evening. So the students who are in the online, am I audible? Can you please confirm it? Come on, students, quickly, all of you. So next continuation part of it. Okay. So let us move to the further discussion now. Right, Ma, Renuka. Good. So let us move to the further discussion. I hope in the last session, we have seen about MySQL, some discussion related to MySQL communication, steps, import, SQL connector, and getting the connection and creating an object of cursor, design the query and place the query in the cursor and execute, process the result which is available in the cursor object. Python program closes the connection. Okay. And I almost shown in the class, and we reach to the program development also. If you little bit understand more quickly, we'll enter into some more discussion. So last class, I almost shown these steps for you. So I hope you already exercised this part. Okay. So Brahmani, getting this error. Which error, ma'am? Brahmani, you got import module not found error. No module MySQL dot connector. So see student, whether you have installed this MySQL properly or not, I don't know. So Ganesh, fifth and sixth points, I told already in the class. Fifth and sixth points you see, 5 and 6. You see here, process the result which is available in the cursor object. How it is? To process, this process makes us to understand, retrieve the data from cursor object. How do you retrieve the data from cursor object? We already used row count. What is the row count purpose? Which will give you the number of records which are updated. This is already mentioned in Oracle part. And fetch one, fetch all those things I explained. Written up? Where it is written, DML statements part only I set. And related to the exceptions, exception handling messages also I said in the programmatically. So these things I discussed Ganesh Verma. Take care about your notes and read the complete notes. Okay. So it is already there in our notes. Already said fetch one, fetch many of n greater than 0, n less than 0, what is happening, all those conditions written. In where I wrote DML part. As a part of exceptions also I said. So without the dealing, anything is incomplete in our class, it is not there. I will explain everything more perfectly. So with my level best, I'll explain everything more perfectly, student. Right. So last class, we already had one more discussion, and how to create a table creation. Table creation last class, connection test. You almost understand this DB table connection part. You almost understand this connection. Host is equal to user is equal to password is equal to. And we got this connection part, MySQL.connector. Right. Next, if we go to one more program, there is a cursor object creation, which is already discussed in our class. Cursor object, how to create it. Next, I'll go to one more discussion. What is that next part? DB create, database create. How to create our own database. And inside the database, we already discussed in the class how to create a table. How to create a table. There you need to specify especially what? Table name. Database name also you must mention it. Database name also I mentioned it. So created a table also, and I specified the tables and everything. Now we are supposed to enter into, let's go to your MySQL once. Here it is called MySQL, it is ready. I'll just go for shortcut, and you enter the username, password you enter. Once the password is done, it is going to have this discussion, MySQL part. Here the database is ready. What should I say here? show databases. Show databases. So I'm getting this databases here. So some information is available, batch 4 p.m. KVR. These are all called different type of databases. Now I'm writing use batch 4 p.m. database and there show tables. Show tables. Show tables. So which table was already created? In yesterday's class I said this. Now you see the description of this table. DESC employee, DESC employee. It is showing what are the field names and what is the type of that, and everything is ready. So it's a time to see the data present inside of it. How do you see that? Select star from employee. Select star from employee. So I got it. Empty set. Select star from employee. No more data present inside. So it's a time to go for inserting the data or not. So I'll go for how to insert the data. Shall we go now? Yes. So this part, right? Ganesh, I told you, ma. You see, student, where I mentioned that part already. Again and again, you are asking the same question until I show you. So 4 p.m. Oracle DML part. You see DML part here. It is available. See that here last part you see. Where it is available? In which place I just mentioned it, ma? In select statement DRL part it is there. In DRL part, DRL, just open it and see this here. In Python programming, once the select query is executed, all the records are placed in the object of what? Cursor. To extract the records from cursor object, we have three functions. Extracting the records from object of cursor is nothing but passing the result or not. How many points I set? 3. Ganesh Verma, please look into this. This was there as a part of our point. And row count also, you see our DML statements, which is already mentioned in the class. So if it is not there, I will say not there. If it is there, I will say that it is there. Okay, Verma. So now I will continue how to insert the data. Shall we start? Right. How to insert the data in where? Which table? In place of which table now? Employee. Employee. If you want a student table, whatever we like it, we can go for it. Now I'll go for what? Inserting data in employee. So let us start with this. So I will take up to connection is same or not? Up to cursor object is same. I will just take it. Don't feel that sir is taking this and then writing the same thing again. Only few parts I will take it. This you leave it. And this is going to be the same. This program, come on. Accept which values? Employee values from keyboard and insert into where? Which table, ma? Employee table. Actually, this code already we discussed in where? Oracle. Same to same. Only what is the difference? Connection is different. Shall I bring that code or shall I write once again? Shall I bring that code so that I can tell some new example for you? So I'll go to my place of Oracle and everybody, if you know this, what is this now? EMP insert example 3. EMP insert example 3. Just observe it. Same to same I will bring it. Same to same. Nothing is difference. I will just bring this type of part. Only this part I will bring it. Already some content is there. Which is the content? Already this while loop and everything is available. Or better, if I take it, I'll bring this records. This entire part I will bring it, ma. I'll just show you in one place. Keep it here. In place of this line, what I can write? Come on, I need to know what I can write. In this place, first I will import. First I will go for bringing this information. And don't feel that sir is copying and pasting. I feel that you know this concept already. I feel that you know this concept. What is this now? Insert, insert record, insert record example, example 1.py. So MySQL while try. So connection object I'm going to create. This is related to what? Oracle. I will bring it to where this connection I will get it. This connection I will get it. So go to this place and I will just write it. I'll just write it here. Which database I am having? Come on, ma. Batch 4 p.m. Batch what? 4 p.m. Batch 4 p.m. Right? Next after that, what I am creating? Cursor. Only few lines I am changing it. Getting employee numbers or not? Enter employee number, employee name, salary, and whether a company name is there or not, I check it out. Employee number, employee name, only salary. 3 columns are there. I'll go to this place. Company name is not necessary. I don't have that. I don't have that. Okay. Insert into employee values. How many values I am inserting? 3 values I am inserting. So what is the last one is not there? This is not there. Percentage D, percentage S, percentage F. This is my query, guys, and I'm going to pass it. cur.execute IQ insert query and percentage of. How many percentage format specifiers are there? 3, and 3 values I am passing. 3 values I am passing. EMPNO percentage D, ENAME percentage S, ESAL percentage F. Very good. Or you can also write cursor.execute insert into employee values, and I can write these values also like this. So percent of ENO, ENAME, and next I'm going to take up. Next I'm going to take up company name. Company name. I'm going to take company name. So EMPNO, ENAME, and then salary. And I'm saying what here? Commit. Now I'm saying after committing, once the query is executed, Ganesh Verma, processing the result. Processing the result. What is meant by processing the result? I am just printing the message. One record inserted, one record. Where is that one record? Row count. One record is inserted. Processing my result. And if this is not able to execute, I am processing the result with exception. I am processing with an exception. I am handling the exception with processing messages. Now, after inserting it, I am asking, do you want to insert another record? Yes or no? If you say no, it is going to say, thanks for using this program, and then say what? Exit. If you enter yes, definitely yes is equal to no is called what? False. Going to while loop or not? It is repeated. It is repeated. If you want to keep it into functions, DEF, now what is this now? Employee, what is this? Record. Employee record is my function. It is my function. Keep it into this place. I say, like this I kept. This is employee record. Only function I set. So this is called what? Insert record example or insert record. This is called a file name. This is called a file name and acts as what? Module name. Acts as what name? Module name. Let us save this code. Yeah, we will import it. Let us go to this place. 4 p.m. I say yes, I will import it. I'll go for this. I'm saying that it is going to be in this place MySQL. I'll say insert record example 1.py. There I'm going to say sys also I will import. Sys also I will import. Right. Coming to the point back. Line number 7. What is this? Okay. CON is equal to good. CON is equal to. Okay. That is done. Save this code. Now call this function into some other place. Go to that. In next program, I am going to call, because this is the most useful code for you to execute your ATM application. Come on. From where? Which module? What is my module name? Insert record. From insert record, import what? Employee record. It is my function name. It is my function name. Yes, done. Employee record. Just done. So insert record demo. Insert record demo. Record demo. So I'm saying insert record demo dot py. Save this code and observe it. Go to the location. I come out of that. I'll take it E colon. Go to our location 4 p.m. CD and say Python MySQL. There I will say py insert done. Enter employee number. 1. I'm saying that Brahmani. So I'm writing right. So salary is called what? 4.5 or 4.4. One record inserted successfully in employee table. Do you want to insert another record? Yes. Now I'm saying Renuka. So next is employee number is called what? 2222. So next is called Renuka here. So salary is called 4.4 also. So one record is inserted. So next is called what? S. Now 3333. So I'm saying Pavani here. So I said something like 3.4. I said like this. I say no. When I say no, it is coming out of it. Yeah, somewhere else exception is there. Come out of that. Somewhere else we have missed it. Go to this place. Where it is, mom? Here you need to write it. What is it? MySQL dot connector. Why you did not say this? You did not say. When I'm getting error, you want to enjoy. So you did not say, right? Yeah. Since we copied now, that's why. Okay, students. Money. Boys' names are okay. Boys' names also will enter. Okay, now next time. After this, execute. So we got it. 3 people names I got it. I got an exception when it is going to that. Let us execute once again you want. Let us go to that execution. Go to this place. Next, go to that. Enter the employee number 444. 444. You say. Next is called money. So next there I am going to say something like 4.7. So record is inserted. You see whether that record is there or not. Select star from money is there. Next is called yes. Next is called something like 555. And my favorite student Ganesh Verma. So salary is called 6.8. Inserted. Do you want to insert another record? No. So thanks for using this program. Go to this place and then see that these are the data inserted. Suppose if you run the program, I'm entering 1111. I'm saying something like KVR. I'm saying that something like 0.0. Now I'm going to give. See that problem. Problem in database. Duplicate entry 111 for key of employee. Primary key not allowed. Are you following? Why it is not accepting? Already something is there. Enter the number 666. Enter the name KVR. And just I'm saying that 0.0. Now I'm going to get it. One record inserted successfully. Say no, it is coming out of it. Go to the place of it. Select star from employee. This is the information what I inserted it. Are you able to get me? This is called which record? Which concept it is? Insert. Similarly, I want to go for what? Delete. Easy. Dead easy. How do you feel easy? Same kind of program I just copied. I just set just inserting. With what? Interactive mode directly. So next I want to go for what? Deleting. How to delete a record? Also very important. So how we deleted the record? I will take employee numbers. From here, I will delete the complete record. Whichever record I like it, I will delete the record. So I will delete the record. Okay, na? Shall we? Right. Like in our Oracle also, I can insert. insert into from backend also you can insert employee values. I can say 7777 comma what rs, say something like 4.5, something like 4.5. You can say this. It is called what? One record is inserted. One record is inserted. Select star from employee. This is the data what we have. Are you getting, my dear students? Say that what? Commit. So you are going to get it. You are going to get it. So commit. Say commit. So it is automatically that it was committed here. Are you able to get, my students? Right. Select star from this place. Now you are having this many employees. Now I need to go for what? Deleting the record. How do you delete the record? Based on employee number, based on your condition list. Shall I go for deleting the record? How do you delete the record? Same program I will take. How to delete the record? Actually, by the time Oracle is completed, you must be perfect in this area. See the students, this program accept employee number from where? Keyboard, and delete from where? Delete from which table? Employee table. Delete from employee table. So I say delete record. I say delete record dot py. File name acts as what name? Module name. So I'm going to say employee record. Let it be. No problem. What I'm doing with employee record? Deletion I'm doing. Here what I did? Insert. Now I'm going to delete. So I know I don't want this I don't want this name, salary and all. I will take what name? Employee number. Come on, prepare the query then. Come on, student. Directly I will write it. Or you want to go for DQ, delete query is equal to, tell me, delete from employee, where? What is my column name? ENO. Take it as what? ENO is equal to what? %D. Come on. DQ. You say DQ, delete query. What I should say there? Percent of what? ENO, E name, and then next like this I will pass it. I'll pass it. DQ, percent of EMPNO. This is what I got it. If it is present, if it is this case, I will directly write this statement. I'll directly write this statement. So I'm writing here. See carefully. Paste it here. I'm passing here like this. I'll pass it. No need to use this kind of thing. Directly I use it. I hope you are understanding what I'm talking. Either you can use this part or you can use this area. So connection dot commit. Once if I say one record deleted, and I said you in the beginning days, if you remember me, I will write one simplest point here. What is that? If CUR dot, come on ma, row count greater than what? 0. What should I say? Employee record. What is that? Employee record deleted. Employee record deleted. Okay. Next I will say what? Else. What I do? Employee record does not exist, right or not? Employee record does not exist. Right? So because of that, what is coming? Either employee record deleted or not deleted. If I enter some number which is not existing in my table, that is definitely will not be deleted. So that time it is going to be 0 greater than 0. False employee record does not exist. If it is there, if it is deleted, row count is 1. 1 greater than 0, it is called true, employee record deleted. And it is asking, do you want to delete another record? Complete interactive programming. If you want to delete another record, same to same. I say, if you say no, I will come out. If you say yes, this will be repeated. Understand? Right? Let us save this code. Go to this place. I will go to the main program. What is the main program now? Coming to the same point, I'll say this next program. Other program, I'm going to write it. See that, what is that example? Delete record example dot py. Delete record example dot py. Delete record demo dot py. So what is the module name now? Delete record. I go there from delete record. Import what? Employee record. What is that employee record is doing? Deleting the record. Function name. Save this code. Done. Come out of that. Execute. Py. Delete. Enter the employee number. So go to the database. I say 777. So employee record deleted. Deleted means what? 1 greater than 0. 1 greater than 0 means what? See the code. It's greater than 0 means true. Employee record deleted. I say 101, 101. Employee record does not exist. Right? Whether this record deleted or not, you check it out. Select star from employee. That 777 is removed. Right or not? Next, do you want to insert one more thing? Yes, I will remove my record 6666. Record deleted. Check it out whether it is there or not. It is done. Next, do you want to insert another record? S. You say S. Of course, just pressed space without enter key I pressed. Enter key is nothing but what? Not equal to no only. It is asking enter employee number. Some 505 employee record does not exist. Say S. Some number record what you know? 123. It is not existing. If you say no, it is coming out of this program. Are you able to understand? Yes, this is called what? How to delete a record. Next, I want to go for what? Update. How to update it? You can update salary of an employee. You can update the name of the employee. You can change the employee numbers. Whatever you like it, you can do it. Can I go for update program next? Yes. Now I want to update the salary of an employee. I want to increase the salary of an employee with 15% based on your employee number. Okay. Come on to the point. Same to same. Connection is same. Everything is same. What is changing? Just query will be changing. What is changing? Just query will be changing. So let us go to the updating the record. I will take this part. Just observe it, students. I will update it. Come on, students. I am taking now. This program accepts an employee number from keyboard and update what? EMP salary by what? 10%. 10% or 15%, whatever you like it. How do you do it, guys? Now, come on, start with. I say update record. I'm saying that update record dot py. Update record dot py. MySQL dot connector dot sys is done. Employee record updation is taking place. Connector is same. Cursor is same. Enter. Employee number. Yes, I got it. Next is called what? Cell. EMP cell. I'm going for updation. What is this now? Float. Input of enter the salary of, or enter new salary. If you want to take, enter the new salary or enter some percentage of hike and all those things. You can take like that. If you want to take, enter the percentage of hike or enter hike percentage. Enter hike percentage. I am saying that. Fine. So I am getting the hike percentage here. Hike. I am getting hike. So I will take hike. Good. So prepare the query. Update query is equal to update. Come on, students. update which one employee set sal is equal to sal plus, come on ma, sal plus, fine ma, fine Ganesh, right, come on to the point, sal plus sal into percentage f. So no ma, here I'm taking out, I'm not taking fixed salary, I'm giving percentage salary from keyword. Are you getting? Salary is already there, I'm going to update it with some hike in the salary. Okay now? Yeah. So update employee set sal is equal to sal plus what? Sal into percentage of f. Then after that, where, tell me, percentage f, percent of salary I will enter. How much percentage you want? I will enter into that. Still, students, if you really follow me, if I write like this, I don't know whether you will understand this word or not. I told already in the class in the beginning days, this value is there, na? Some percentage means what? 10% if we write it. What is the value will be coming? In this case, sal is equal to what? Sal plus sal into, like this you are getting. Mathematically speaking, you can also write, this is my statement. Here, sal is equal to, I can write down, in both these places, what is common? Sal, it is going to be like this. 1 point, this is nothing but sal of 1 plus, that is 1 into 1 plus some salary will be coming or not? That is nothing but what? Hike of the salary will be coming. I can say sal into, just to see this what? Sal of 1 plus some f will be coming. I hope I can say sal into some percentage will come. What is the percentage? Some 10%, something like that it will come or not? So if you take overall thing, you can say 10% if I write it there, 10% if I write it there, how can I write it now? This will be taken as 0.01. 0.01 is nothing but what? This is nothing but what? Sal is equal to sal into 1.01. I don't know whether you understand or not. 1 plus 0. This one I am just writing it. So this is called one fixed value is given. This is called when fixed value is given. But from my command prompt, what I am going to enter? Sal is equal to sal plus sal into, if I write 15, I cannot do 15 by 100. What I am doing from my command prompt? I am going to enter 0.15 I will enter. From my command prompt, I will enter 0.15. So it is going to be multiplied with this, adding with the salary, and updated salary will be kept in sal. I hope you will understand this point. So this is in the case of fixed value mechanism only. Please take care about this small mathematics part. So come back to this area. Here I am going to write it. Sal is equal to sal into percentage of the hike salary will be given. Like 0.15, like 16% means 0.16, like that you need to enter. Are you okay, students? Yeah. So coming to the point of it. So yes ma, Poonam, yes ma, correct. In lambda topics, which I said the same thing. Yes. DQ, that is update this query of this percentage of EMPNO, comma, where, what I should say, ENO is equal to what? Percent D. With this employee number, with this salary, I want to update. So how many values I will pass it? I say percent of, what should I say? EMP. Come on, fast. Sal. Okay. Hike I will give. What is that now? I got it. Hike, comma. What is this now? EMPNO. So you close this part. So see, this hike will be sending to this percentage of this EMPNO will be sending to percentage D. So I hope you understand this requirement, or if you follow me, you can write it directly. This statement I can write it. So this statement I am writing directly, I can write it into this place. Here I can say percentage of this value, say this of what is this now? Hike comma EMPNO, hike comma EMPNO. So I'm updating that is done, hike comma EMPNO. CON dot what here? Commit. CON dot commit. If row count is greater than 0, employee record updated. Updated. If no such records are present there, you will get what? 0. 0 greater than 0 means record does not exist. Do you want to update another record? Do you want to update another record? If yes or no, depends on it. It is going to be continued. This is only the main statement I am getting. Rest of them will be same. So let us save this code. If any mistakes or something else is there, we will take care of it. Let us write the main program also. Let us take the main program also. I will say, what is this now? From update record, import, which one? Employee record. Next I will call which function? Employee record function I will call it. Employee record function I will call it. Now I'm going to take up, it is going to be update record demo. This is delete record demo. Update record demo I will take it. Update record demo dot what? Py. It's a main program for it. So coming to this point, execute this. Now come out of that, execute this part. Py update record demo, enter the employee number, something like 777. So hike percentage 0.12. So I'm getting record does not exist. Do you want to repeat? Yes. I'll say that, see the database. So having Pawan is having some less salary. I want to give some hike. So let us go to this 333. So hike is called what? 0.15. Employee record updated. Just go to this place and then check it out. So Pavani record is updated. 3.4 earlier, 3.91. 3.91. I want to increase the salary of money salary I want to increase. So how do you go for it? Yes, I say something like 444. I say something like 0.12. So it is getting updated. It is 4.7. Now it is going to be 5.264. So I hope that you understand this point. So coming to the point of it, this is done. If I run this code once again, say S, I say 101, you will get something like 0.06, 0.06. So employee record does not exist. What this point says? How to update the record. How to delete we understand. How to update we understand. So if I say no, it is coming out of it. Easy or difficult? Dead easy. Not a normal easy, dead easy. Now I want to go for one more example, which I will use combined example of all these things. Okay, na? So are you getting confidence on this database? Retrieving the data and processing the data based on employees, based on database is easy enough, files is easy enough. Database is very easy to query. And last and final, I want to go for retrieving the data. Retrieving the data. Shall I show you retrieving the data? So what I should change? Only table name and then connection I need to take. Let us go back. Let us go back, students, once. Last class program, you take it. In our place of Oracle, I hope it is there. Records select. You just observe it. Enter any table name. Enter any table name. And I'm getting the description, metadata, column names, everything printed or not? Anything you enter, that will be just showing to us. Are you following, students? So let us take this example. Let us take this example and try to paste it. And I'm just granting that you are following me. Need not to write and need not to waste my time. Since we already understand, that's why I'm taking directly. So this program accepts a table name and displays records along with what names? Column names. So record select.py, get records, enter the table name. Only this part I will change. Go to this previous place. I will get this. I will get this part. I'll go to this place. See, students, I'll get this object. I'll get this object. Okay. Go back to this place. I'll just paste it. Connection is equal to connector dot batch 4 p.m. Cursor object, select star from this table name. Everything is same. Import, I will take care of it. Import, I will do it. MySQL dot connector of, and then database also I need to take care na. What is that now? MySQL dot connector. This exception part I will take care. A database, and this part, if you want, in the same place, if you want, you can call it in the same place. I'm not keeping in function only, but I'm calling in the same program. Okay, save this code. S.py, go to MySQL, keep it in MySQL. Let's go for this MySQL, save this now. Out of that, go to this place, say py, asking table name. What is the table name I am entering? Employee. So I'm getting employee names, all the values. If I say the name KVR here, table does not exist. Table does not exist. You enter any table and you will get it. Understand? So in this database, this table name you need to enter. Such a table name you need to enter. Other than the table name, if you enter, you will get a problem. Understand? Fine. Suppose if you say KVR, now you say you entered student. Student does not contain any data. We did not insert any data. In where? Yesterday's class. We created only table name. Remembering? Right. You enter here what? Employee. You enter employee. Table does not exist. In which database? KVR database. You go for this. You go for this batch 4 p.m. Batch 4 p.m. Batch 4 p.m. contains what? Employee. I'm getting this. Like this. Column names I'm getting and other kind of information I'm getting it. Right. Fine. Yes, ma'am. Manjula. That only I'm saying, ma'am. Manjula, that only I'm saying. Any database, if you take it, database is having their own facilities are there. Some companies will use Oracle database. Some companies will use MySQL database. Both of them, wherever you are working, you should feel more easy. I'm saying that. My intention is to bring only one thing to your notice. All the databases are RDBMS products. I'm saying that communicating with any database is same. Only connection is changing. And then queries I am changing it. All the database approaches are same. Manjula, I hope you are getting me, ma. So only connection details are same. Persistency part, both of them are going to be same. Depends on your company. You have to use the particular database. And with this explanation, I can understand that with any database communication is easy or difficult? Very easy. So I hope Manjula, you understand, ma. Both of them are same. Only username password is different. Connection details are different. So depends on your company what you are using. You have to use that particular database. Okay, na? Shall we do one small case study? Write down. All of you open. Students who are in the online, is it clear for me? Did you understand Oracle database and MySQL database, how to communicate with our Python program? Good. Now, write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will implement the following, which will implement the following, which will implement the following, which will implement the following. Yes, please look at, once you look at ma, this is my table, this is my table. Which table it is? Deposit table, deposit table, of course, deposit table. Inside of it I am having some column names. I am having, my students, please look at ma, once you look at, I will continue that question. ACNO, next is called customer name, C name, and then balance. I'm having balance, I'm having balance, so I'm having balance. Yeah, account number is called what, 100,000, some number called 1000. Customer name is called RS, customer name is called RS, and now whose balance is called what, some 20,000, whose balance is called 20,000. Next there is one more 2,000, who is called something like a TR, whose balance is called 15,000, whose balance is called 15,000. 3,000, whose name is called MC, whose salary is, whose balance is called 10,000. 4,000, who is called Dennis Ritchie, whose salary is called 5,000, whose balance is called 5,000. Like that, I am having so many customers, so many amounts are there. Now I am asking funds transfer I want to provide. What is that, ma? Funds transfer I am asking. Funds transfer. Let us take the funds transfer implementation now. What is the funds transfer implementation says? Start this discussion now. Start this discussion once again. Come on, what you will enter? What you will enter? You need to enter the source account number or not? Source account number. What is my source account number? 1000. Who is that? Rosam. Decided to give 5,000 rupees to whom? TR. Who is the, what is that account number? 2,000. How much rupees I want to give? 5,000. To whom? TR. That means I want to transfer the funds from one account number to another account number. That is the biggest discussion. So it is called implement. You need to take this table, write a Python code in such a way that to transfer the funds from one account to another account. So transfer, listen, transfer the funds, transfer the funds from source account to where? Destination account. Source account to where? Destination account, by validating the data. By validating the data. If source account number is not there, can I transfer? Source account number you are giving 1,000, but how much amount I am transferring? 25,000 I am transferring. But how much amount you have? Is it possible to transfer? No. Just take the table, all of you. Take the table. Continue. What is that? Write a Python program to implement. Continue. To implement funds transfer. To implement funds transfer from one account to another account. 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 By using the following table. By using the following sample table. By using the following sample table. By using the following sample table. Take the table. Only table you take it. Deposit is called what? Table name. Table name this is. Table name this is. Just some sample entries. Make it fast. Irfan, write a Python program which will implement the following write a Python program which will transfers the funds from one account to another account and take the table. Question is very simple. Coding is very bigger now. Right. Anuj completed. Okay. Next up, quickly make it fast. Now, so you want me to do it in Oracle or in MySQL? Come on. MySQL. Okay. Let us go for creating the table now. Shall I create the table? Yes, sir. Create the table. So I will go for creating the table. So you want me to create the table through backend or through my Python program? Python program. Okay. Let us deal with everything through Python program. Table create program is there or not? Yeah. Let us go to that part. You take it, my dear students. Let us see, students. I will take it. This is my table create. Table create. Please take it. I'm going to take it. Separate example. So I'm taking funds transfer. FUND. Funds transfer. TRANS. Transfer. Table create.py. Okay. Fine. What is my database? Batch 4 p.m. you want to go? Okay. Batch 4 p.m. Okay, student, create a table. What is the table name? Come on, ma. Deposit. In which batch? Okay. Create a table. What is the table name, please? Deposit. What should I take it, ma? ACNO. Int. Primary key. Next, customer name. Varchar 10. Not null. Next, please. Say what? Yes, balance. Which type? Float. What is this? Not null. Execute. Table query created or not? Yes. Let us save this code. Go to this. I will take it some small case. I'll create a folder, my dear student. Small case. I will go for case. Some small case. Case 1. I will say case 1. I will say this program now. Say, what is that now? Program name? Funds transfer created.py. Yes. See, students, come on, go to this place. In this place, CD case 1. Go, students. py funds transfer create.py. Right? Table created in MySQL. Go to MySQL once. Okay. Please check it. What is that now? Select show tables. Yes, what is the table created, ma? Deposit. DESC. What is the table name, please? Deposit. So I got it. Account number, customer name, and then what? Balances. Okay. Do you have any records inside, ma? Select star from where? Deposit. Do you have any data inside? No. Shall I insert the data? Please go. For inserting the data, my dear students, help me in inserting the data like this. Can I copy this code? We came all the way to the case study now. I say funds. I am giving transfer. Funds transfer. TRNS. Transfer. Insert .py. Just a file name. I don't want to go for module name and all. Okay. What is this record? Customers record. Which record? Customers records. Okay. Customers records. This is my file name. I will call it as a part of the same place. This is called my main program. I hope, students, you are following me. Customers record. You come on. Same thing. Enter. Come on, ma. Enter what? Account number. Enter what? Enter what? Customer name. Enter what? Customer what ma? Balance. Customer balance. Yes, customer balance. Insert into what? Deposit values. Percentage D for account number. Percentage S is for name. Percentage F is for balance. What ma? Line number 1. What happens? Accept. Which values? Depositor's details. Depositor values from keyboard and insert into which table? Deposit table. I want to insert. Okay. Into deposit table. Okay. Right. 13th line. Enter account number. Okay. ANO. Next is what? C name. Next is called what? Balance. No problem. Decide. Insert into deposit values percentage D, percentage S. Now I need not to, since we are in the case study part, insert. Do you want to insert? Inserted successfully in which table? Deposit table. Cursor dot row count. Well, next I will do what? Do you want to insert another record, etc.? Done. Account. Ma? Line number 18. Okay. What is this now? ANO. Next is what? C name. Next. Yes. Balance. So committing the database, record inserted successfully, and all these things is done. So save this code. Funds transfer.py. Save this now. Go to the case study 1. So I'm going to take it 4 p.m. MySQL. If there is a case 1, I'm going to take it. Fine. Come on to the point back. PY. Done. Enter account number. According to our requirement, 1000. RS 20,000. Insert it as, say, some 2000. So 2000. Some DR. Something like, 10,000. Next, yes, account number 3000. Say something like TR. Say something like 15,000. Yes. Do you want to insert another record? Yes. Some 4,000. Yes. This is nothing but, MC. I say 5,000. Fine. Do you want to insert another record as, say something like 5,000? Say something like some value, say 1,000. This is a data. Do you want to insert another record? No. Go to the My Data, MySQL, select star from, got it. This is the table what you have in your book. Understand? I created a table. I inserted. I made the table ready. Okay. Shall I write the funds transfer example now? Let's go. Students in the online, are you comfortable, students? Are you comfortable with this? Good. Let us go to the funds transfer example. Funds transfer example. Very good. Let us finish the code. Right. This program transfers the amount from one account, from source account to source, from source account to what? Destination account. Destination account. Yes. How we can do it? Let us start. Up to here, this is common or not? Up to here it is common or not? Yes, because I want to concentrate on the coding part. Come on to this point. Say, if you want, I will keep it in this place. So coming to this area, I say this part, I say done. Get the cursor object. Understand, students? Yeah. What is the last part of it? What should I do? I will get it. I'll get it in this place. See students, I'll get it. Last part of it, this exception part, I will write it. This exception part, I will write it. Go there. I'll say so that in middle of it, I'll write lot of logic. So let's start the logic. Yeah. Once a funds transfer is going to see, I will show who are the account holders present in my account. Okay, na? Like get all account details. Get all account details. This is I am writing only for viewing purpose. Okay, na? What I will do? CUR dot execute select star from where, come on ma, deposit. Select star from deposit. Well, next what I will do? I need to get the records or not? How do you get it? RECS records is equal to CUR dot fetch all. I need to print. See my dear students, 50. I'm saying that for, come on, REC in RECS, from records I'm getting one record. In that record I will print the value also. Value in REC. REC is nothing but one tuple. The tuple values I'm printing like this. What is this, students? I say dot format of what ma? Val, comma, end is equal to some space. Because of that, what is printed? My records will print. Okay. Just to give me an example, I say funds transfer dot py. Funds trans dot py. I say trans dot py. Execute this and see this now. Py funds trans dot py. It is getting in the same row. Yes, you know how to do this. See students, I say print off. Beautiful. Now see students, I got it. Okay, na? Yeah. Suppose you want to get much space. You want to get that metadata also. Do you know how to get the metadata? So metadata part, you know, I will bring this metadata. If you don't mind, I will bring this metadata also. I'll say here. After executing this part, I'm just saying this metadata. Okay, say that. Line number 13. Okay. So come on to this point. Yes. See that I'm getting this information. Account number, CNAME, and then balances. Account number and balances, all these things. Okay. I say here like this. Just one line. Finally, I'm getting this. Okay, students. Fine. Now I want to go for, yes ma, Bangaram. Bank applications will working in server only. This application only we will place it in the server so that it will provide you for what? Concurrent access to anybody else. First, how to keep it in server, leave it ma. First learn the coding. First working in the coding part. So servers placing and all those things, our project manager, our team leaders will take care. That is not a big deal. It is only the process of only deployment. First coding is important, right or not? Yeah. Take care about it. So let us go to the place called what now? With this, my records are printed. Okay, now? Now, I want to go for what? I will ask here. Enter from which account you want, what is the source account? From which account you want to transfer the amount? Understanding? From which account you want to transfer? I want to transfer 5,000 rupees from 1,000 account to which one? 4,000. So 1,000 is called which account? Source account or not? Yes or no? So I will ask the student, I will ask the end user, enter the source account. I am writing important logics. I will use it, students. So I am writing yes, Yes, sir. That is SR. I'm using some variable SRACNO means what? SR means source. Source account number is equal to int of input of enter source account number. Source account number from where you want to send the money. From where you want to send. From where you are sending. Okay. From where you are sending. Okay, source account number is coming. Just let me show you that. In every moment of it, I will ask you. Enter the source account number from where you are sending. I will say 1001. 1001. Do you have 1001? No. Do you have 1000? How do you know that I may enter wrong account number also? That time I need to say invalid account number or not. So think okay, possibility. So when I am entering 1000, I have to search in this 1000 existing account numbers or not. Is my 1000 present in these numbers? Come on. Yes. If it is present, I should say that enter the amount to transfer. Suppose if it is 1001, I should say immediately what? Invalid account number. So I want to implement that. Let us go back, students. I say, come on, this SRACNO should compare with all my account numbers or not? How can I compare? Look at that. It is little, very important logic. For, come on, students, I'm going to take it. For REC, already records are present in where, ma? Records. Already my record data is present in where? RECS. For REC in where? RECS. What is coming first? This RECS contains my total data or not, ma? This entire thing is there in RECS. What I am taking? One REC I am taking. In REC, what is this index? 0th index. Okay. See how beautiful it is. If SRACNO is equal to REC of 0. What a beautiful logic. What is REC? One tuple. In the tuple, 0th index contains account number. If it is equal to, I say what? It is a good. That means a number is present. Once a number is present, I should say break. I found that number. Suppose I have 100 numbers. I found that number in 20th place. Is it necessary to search in other places? Already number is traced out. No? Will I search for other? No. I should say what? Break. Break means it is coming out of what? Break means it is coming out of where? It is coming out of the loop or not? It is coming out of the loop. While you are coming out of the loop, I should take one decision. This for loop is coming. Suppose you take 1001. 1001 means this loop is executed completely or not? Come on. I am having this number of numbers is 1000. In the beginning only it is found. Suppose I enter 1001. 1001 means what? 1001 means what? It is not found here. Not found means complete loop is executing or not. So how can I know that my account number is present or not? For this you must have the complete practicing knowledge. If anybody doesn't have the practicing, you cannot follow. Beginning only I am saying. Found is equal to Ganesh Verma. Take care, ma. See, if anybody did not follow, you will not get this. If you follow, then only you will understand. Otherwise, you cannot. Found is equal to false. I am taking false. Now here record is found or not? I say found is equal to what? True. Once it is true, I will get its balance or not? Once a record is found, immediately I will take the balance. Where is the balance is available? SR balance is equal to REC of 2. What is REC of 0? account number. REC of 1, name. REC of 3, REC of 2, balance. I am fetching that balance. I am saying break. Understand? Once that account number is found, I said found is equal to true. SR balance is equal to, I am getting the fetching the balance. I am saying break. Once you say break, it is coming out of the for loop. It is coming out of the for loop. Are you able to get this point or not? Now, for example, if my record is not found at all, what is the found value always? Okay, come out of that. I am saying if found is equal to what? False. Found is equal to false. What do you say? Is it a valid account number or invalid account number? Invalid account number. I say that, I am saying that here double quotes, here is invalid source account number, is invalid source account number. If you have complete practicing of Python programming, then only you can follow. If you don't practice, if you try to understand today only, it is a problem. I am saying to you once again. So it is going to be called a format of, what is this now? SRACNO. SRACNO. Are you getting, my dear student? Fine. Else, what is that next? Else, say pass. For a few minutes, wait. Take one number, 1001. Start. What is the REC? First tuple or not? First tuple. What is the SRACNO? 1001. What is the first REC of 0? 1000. True or false? True. True. False, that is. 1001 and 1000. False. False means where it is going? For loop. Next record. What is my next record? 2000. What is my SRACNO? 1001. 1000 is equal to 2000. False. Again, next record. What is the next record? 3000. 3000 is equal to 3000 is equal to 1001. Next record. 1001 is equal to 4000. Next 5000 is equal to 4000, 1001. False. False means a record. Do you have a next record? What is the found value? False is equal to false. Invalid account number. Understand? Check it out. Check it out, my dear student. Beautiful logic. This is 1002. 1002. Invalid account number. You say what? 2000. 2000. Come on, flow, you take it. 2000. First one. 2000 is equal to first record. 1000. False. Next for loop. What is the SRACNO? 2000. Second record, 0th value, 2000. 2000 is equal to 2000. True. True means what? Get its balance of 2000. What is the balance of 2000? 10,000. And say what? Comes out of it. If found is equal to false. False. Found value how much? True. False value how much? False. True is equal to false. False. Coming to where? Else. I said what? Pass. No result will come. Just a testing. Now, if at all you want, I'll print. You are valid. You are valid, and your balance. Just I am saying is equal to, say, dot format of what is your balance? Where I got it? SR balance. What a beautiful logic. Execute. Come on, say 3001. Invalid. Now say what? 3000. Yes, your balance is what? 3000 balance, ma. Yes, so say 1000. Account number 1000. Your balance is what? You say something like, 100. 100 is what? Invalid account number. Beautiful. Come on, go. Ready. Understand? Still I will go for this. Next, continue. Next, what I will ask? Amount I am asking. Okay, source number I validated or not? Okay. Now I am asking how much amount you want to transfer. I'm asking how much amount you want to transfer. Your source account is valid. You have 20,000. Can I transfer 25,000? And moreover, I won't give complete 20,000 to you. I will keep 5,000 with my bank always. Come on. SR amount. SR amount. Source. Amount is equal to. Actually, it's a beautiful logic. If you say quickly, it will be over. Source account amount. SR amount is equal to. Tell me. Float of. Input of. Enter the amount, enter the amount to transfer from which account? Source account. Beautiful. What is the amount I am saying? SR amount. That SR amount should be less than what? Yes, ma, you can do it. That SR amount should be less than what? SR balance. Already SR balance I captured. Come on, tell me. EFO. EFO. I'm waiting for your answer. SR amount. Right. Greater than SR amount plus 500. Why 500 I'm taking? Always I want to keep 500 with me. Okay. SR amount of 500 greater than what? I say SR balance. Okay, student. If this is so, what should I do? I say, what should I say? I say print of, come on, insufficient funds, source account. I'm saying that source account does not contain sufficient funds. Source account does not contain sufficient funds. Okay. Else I will say for a few minutes pass, or I will say print of you have what funds? Sufficient funds. Just sufficient funds. Just I'm saying shortcut. You have sufficient funds. So coming to the point of it, just execute it. Come on. Enter that. I'm saying what? 2000. Enter the, once it is valid, then it is asking enter the amount to transfer from source account. What is that amount now I am entering? 15,000. What is my account actually contains? So is the 15,000 is there in 2000 account? No. What is happening? See that SR amount is not defined. What is that SR amount, ma'am? SR AMT. Okay. SR AMT. Okay. Spelling mistake. Yes, ma. 2000. Say 15,000. See that source account does not contain what? Okay. You say 3,000. 3,000 is containing 15,000. Now I am entering something like 5,000. You have what? Good. Understand? Go. Now I will enter. Once I have source account is there, source amount is validated. Else, when you are coming to line number 37, where my cursor is waiting, is my account contains proper account or not? Proper amount is there or not? Next, I will ask you what? Enter the destination account. Shall I? Tell me. D account, destination, DT account, DTACNO is equal to. Come on, student. As usual, same to same logic I will write. DTACNO, destination, DST. If you feel DSTACNO is equal to int of input of enter destination account number. Okay, sir, destination account number. How can you say that it is a destination account number is there or not? Source account details, okay. Destination account I am entering. Source is 2000, okay. I have sufficient money, I have sufficient account number. But my destination account I am entering 5001 now. Do you have 5001? No. I should say that invalid destination number or not? Go. What I should do? For REC in where? RECS. Beautiful. REC or what? DST ACNO. DST ACNO double equal to what? REC of 0. If it is there, what should I say? Found is equal to same to same, my dear students. You say here, what is this now? Found is equal to what? False. Found is equal to false. I am saying found is equal to false. Here I am saying found is equal to true. Say what? Break. Break means coming to where? For loop. Are you okay? Once it is coming out of it, what I should do? If found is equal to what? False. What should I say? Print of what is this? Invalid destination account number. Invalid destination account number. Invalid destination account number. What is this now? DST ACNO. DST ACNO. Understand? If it is there, found true. True is equal to false. False. False means what? Else. I say there, print destination account is also there. Is also there. Just to check it. Go. Enter. First 3000. Okay. Enter the amount. 5000 rupees. Yes. Destination account number. 3001. Am I having 3001 account number? No. What is coming? 3000 is the invalid destination account number. Okay, student. I understand. 3000. 5000. I say 5000. Who is that 5000? Destination account number. Destination account number. Or 4000. 4000. Do you have the 4000 account number? Yes. Now I am asking. Destination account is also there. Understand? Go. When you are coming to this place, now I am ready to transfer the funds. Yeah, no problem. Self transfer. Will you transfer by yourself? Generally. Suppose I have my account number. Will I transfer by myself? Unnecessarily GST charge, that this will be applicable. Will you do like that? Not possible. No? Not possible. Don't get that type of doubt. Your account, will you transfer by yourself? What is the need of it? Already it is there. No need to. If at all you want, you can take here also. What is that? DRACNO is equal to SRACNO. Not possible. Self transfer is not possible. Bankers will not necessary. Okay. Now else, what should I do? Update the accounts. Update the accounts. Come on, students. Tell me. Update the accounts. Shall I update the accounts? Come on. CUR dot. Come on, mom. Execute. Come on. Fast. Update. Deposit. Set. Balance is equal to. What is my column name? Balance is equal to. Balance minus percentage F. Percentage F. Come on. If you look at me, I cannot do anything. Where ACNO is equal to percentage D, percent of what? Balance. What is that balance? SR balance. That is, what is this? SR balance, SR balance. I'm getting SR balance, SR amount, SR amount. I should subtract this SR balance. I should subtract this SR amount. How much you want to transfer? That I will subtract from this place. From which place? From which account number? From SR ACNO. From SR ACNO. No doubt in that. It is bouncing to some students, but I am really enjoying this code. I am really enjoying this code because daily I will practice. Dead easy for me. This data is subtracted from my account, and for this account number, which account number? Source number, source account number I have to subtract. For a destination I will. Okay, very good. Come on. CUR dot execute of update. Okay, deposit set balance is equal to balance plus percentage F, where ACNO is equal to percentage D. Okay, percent of what? Which amount? Same amount. Which amount? That amount only will become the addition or not? Whatever they subtracted from you, same amount will be deposited with me. SR amount, SR AMT, comma, where I am going to? DST ACNO. Okay, mind blowing. Okay, what I will do? CON dot what? Commit. Okay, print of \n from what I am doing? From account, from 2000, from what is this now? Account number, from account number INR transferred into account verify dot format of, from which account number? Is it a source account number or not? Yes. What is the source account number, student? I say SR ACNO, comma, which amount ma? SR AMT, to where ma? DST ANO. Beautiful. Done. What a beautiful example it is. I am getting from this account number, so and so money transferred into so and so account number. Say, execute. Come out. Line number 50. Close. Come on. 2000. Enter the amount to transfer. 5,000. Okay, 5,000. Valid up to here. Asking enter the destination account number. So give to the less account people. 5,000 to the account number. I am transferring. See, my dear student, from 2000 account number, INR 5,000 transferred into 5,000 account number. Verify. Shall I verify? Where? Database. Go to the database. Select star from deposit. What a beautiful program it is. Actually, it is containing what? This one. 5,000 deducted, 5,000 added, 5,000 plus 1,000. How much? Comfortable? Okay. Next. You want to print the data once again. What is transferred? You can print the data also. How can you print the data? This you can print the data. Whatever the data you have, I can print the same story as it is. I can print the same story as it is. You want, I'll print here itself. You want, I'll print here itself as it is. I'll bring this. Today, mind blowing. Start. Instead of coming to database, now start. Enter source account number. Say 1000. Enter the amount to transfer, some 5,000. Enter the destination account, 4,000. None type is iterable type. Okay. None type is iterable type. Okay. That is, it is saying that the data is 1 minute more. That is saying that it is coming to this 1 minute, you understand. None type is column name in description. None type object is iterable. Just execute it and go to this place and just check it once. First you consider here 20,000 is there. Just consider this. 15,000, is it added to this become 10,000 or not? Are you getting my point? So this data, if you want to print, you can write it this one. How do you print it? Come on, print off. I will write the code instead of copying that. 50, I say print off. What is that? For REC in where? RECS print off. Come on. Okay. Print off for val in where? RECS print off what? Quickly. I say dot format of what? Val, comma, end is equal to like this. Say what? Print off. Say this value. Say this value here. I'm getting this data. Execute. See students. Now I say 2,000. I'm saying that 5,000. 5,000. I'm not giving 5,000. 5,000 I'm giving. Possible? No. See that source account does not contain. Yeah. Let us start. Say that 2,000. Yes, only 1,000 rupees I want to give. To whom I am giving? To 5,000 I am giving. To 5,001 I am giving. Do you have 5,001 person? No. What is that? 5,000 is what? What a beautiful example. Say that what? Enter the source account number. I am saying 2001. 2001. Invalid destination account number. Say what? Come on, students. 2,000. Say 1,000 rupees from where to where? 5,000. Say what is happening this? So much of big data. Okay. 1 minute. REC. REC. Good. Understand? That is transferred or not? Last and final. Data is coming. Only our for loop I written wrong. Once again, 1 more 1,000 I want to transfer. To destination account is called 5,000 only. Yes. See that. It is containing 4,000. Now it is becoming what? Now it is getting 4,000. Now it is 7,000. Okay. Why I am getting this one, you know? This is the data. I got the data in the beginning only, na? Beginning data only coming. I need to fetch the data freshly or not? For that, you know what I will do? I will say what? Again execute the query. How I will execute the query? This is the query which is executed in the beginning, na? I will execute the query once again. After when? When I am executing the query? After updating. Once again I am retrieving. Did you understand? After updating, again I am fetching. But before what I said? Beginning retrieved data only I am getting. Okay. Go for this now. Start. 2,000. Give 1 more 1,000. To whom I want to give? 5,000. What a beautiful example. This is the subject. And I took from you some 4,000 rupees from this 2,000. Now I am giving back. Come on. Enter the source account number. Come on, what is that? 5,000. How much amount you want to give? To whom you want to give? 2,000. Giving back. Perfect. In the database also it is updated, students. In the database also updated. This is a perfect example. So students in the online, are you understanding? How is this program? Sir, everything bouncing, sir. Everything bouncing, sir. Bouncing, understanding? Okay. Seriously, okay. Mind blowing, sir. Okay. Difficult. Ganesh Verma, yeah, difficult. So, good. Rocky, very good. Thank you. Same to you, the same. Needs lot of practice. 100%. KVR is Rosam. Okay. No, I'm not. I'm just a student of Rosam only. I'm just student. I'm just in that only in front of that. Okay, now. So this is the code you need to do it. Rocky. Who is that Rocky? What is Rocky is doing? Rocky, I did not understand the symbol meaning, ma. Knox. Okay, awesome. Okay, biggest program throughout our class. KVR is on fire. Okay. You are Rosam. Oh. No, ma. Right. Take a, okay. Take a bow, sir. Okay. Okay. So, very good. This is the way to do the coding. So, you take funds transfer, Google Pay, you take it, Phone Pay, you take it. PIN number also you can add to this. So, like that, you go on adding that and you make a very big project. So, if you go on sitting on the system, you will get hundreds of thoughts. Or just throwing the books in somewhere and enjoying, going to the friends and doing here and there, nothing will come out. So this is unbelievable, sir. Okay, Rakesh, thank you. So this is the way how you can do the coding. Now it's 6 o'clock. Shall we? This is called what? Database. So tomorrow session, I'm going to start OOPS. OOPS, huh? Already you know OOPS, which is OOPS. Now I'm explaining tomorrow OOPS, which is OOPS. Different. I will explain again 10 days. Right. Yes, Lakshmi. Okay, ma. You want column names? Yes, no problem. I am here to explain that. No problem, ma. See, Lakshmi, no problem. This same kind of metadata, whatever you have, same thing you can get it here also. Same thing you can get it here also. See, I'll get it. Column names here also. Column names here also. No issue at all. So, column names and print off. Print off. Okay. Why not? Go to this place. Yes, I'll take 1,000. I'll take 1,000. Say some to 5,000. Transfer to whom? 5,000 account. Yes, I got account number, balance. Got it. Once you are in fire, anything will come. Everything will come. Nothing is going to be there. Right. Rocky, I will tell you 1 week before I will tell you when this will complete. See, I explained database. Suppose I will explain one database, I will say others, leave it. Problem, na? I want to explain everything for you. Okay, now? So that line you want, you can go for that line. Once you started doing, you can do many more things. So I can say like this. Say that, enter this, I say 1,000, I say something like 1,000 I am passing, enter the account number, I am saying something like, 2,000 I am giving, right, done, transferred, see that, done. Like this, you can do. Fine, huh? Fine. So this is the way I will send this code to you. Complete code, I will just put it in the RAR file, I will send to you. Try to get it. Okay, tomorrow what I will do, what I will start? Oops features. Don't miss it. Very fresh mind you come. Then I will explain classes, objects. Tomorrow I will give complete information about what is a class. About classes and objects are very pillars. So that important topic, don't miss it. And OOPS features are my favorite topics actually. Because Java means OOPS. In Python also, OOPS is so great. And Java OOPS are little different. Python OOPS are little difficult and so easy. Once you catch me, easy. Once you fear to catch, it's a devil. We will see how you will catch. Okay, na? So tomorrow what topic? Oops. Right. Thank you. Good day. So I'm going to upload this information. Try to take care. Good day.